So this is the quickest way to dry your riding boots if they are wet. Uh, this is the condition of my boots last seen from my off-road ride that you can probably watch here. So since then actually you can see some sunshine now, but it was pretty much raining for the past few days and I couldn't dry my boots properly. So as you can see, these are the condition now, and you know that it's a little difficult to dry the inside of the boot here. So what I've figured out is the best way to do this is pretty easy actually. It could take anywhere between half an hour to an hour. So let me quickly show you what you need to do to dry your riding boots if they are wet inside and you are in a rush or you haven't had sunshine for a few days to dry the boots properly. So this is the method that I've found out, and excuse everything, it's a little messy because I've been experimenting with it. So I've forgotten. I think I've dried out this boot. Yeah, this one is completely dry. So what I've done is basically I have a vacuum cleaner. Let it focus, come on. Yeah. So this is a very basic Eureka Forbes vacuum cleaner, and the suction end is here, but it also has a blower end here. So what I've done is I've connected the hose, and the extreme end of the hose I've simply put it inside the boot this way, fully in, as far in as I can put it, so that basically this doesn't blow hot air, it just blows air, and it can do a continuous stream of air for about mine at least can do it for half an hour non-stop. So half an hour of continuous air inside the boot is sufficient to dry at least one boot, and you can do the same for the other one. So that is one of the best ways to dry out the inside of the boot. Let me show you what I do after I dry the boot. So once my boots are dry, at least from the touch, from the inside. The outside is fairly easy to dry actually. There isn't too much effort to dry the outside, but the inside is the tough part because there's some amount of foam inside where your toes go in, and it's a little difficult to dry that even in the sun. So it would take a few days. So this is the fastest method that I've figured out. So after I dry the boot, that's what I was talking about. What I do is I take this basic leather cream from Bata, and I put it in the leather parts of the boot with a basic microfiber cloth. So this helps keep the leather on the boot a little supple and soft, and it doesn't harden up as much as leather and water, they don't agree really well, and it's a little advisable to take care of them after riding in the wet. And the problem is these boots are not waterproof, so even if they were waterproof, I would actually recommend taking care of them this way with some leather cream. So let me know if this video is helpful. Just to give you a quick demo actually before we cut down the video. So that's the furthest my hose would go, and I would leave it in there for at least say 15 to 20 minutes per boot, and that is sufficient to dry them. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you find this video helpful in any way to dry out your boots if you require them ever. I would appreciate a thumbs up for the video if this helps you. Bye bye.